Hi guys, this is Go for Agriculture channel. Today we are going to discuss Arun Kadyan chapter 9b, that is seed technology part 2. We have already discussed in the previous lecture about what is the definition of seed, what are the essential factors for germination of seed, seed index, test weight, then real value of seed and purity percentage of seed, impurity percentage of seed. So today we are going to discuss the isolation distance, that is minimum isolation distance for some crops. So instead of by hearting all this, we have to make a trick to crack this table. First, rice, wheat, barley, oat and soybean and groundnut have same minimum isolation distance for foundation seed as well as certified seed, that is 3 meter 3 meter. So next one, 50-25, tomato and rapeseed and mustard. So rapeseed and mustard and tomato have same minimum isolation distance, that is 50 for foundation seed and 25 for certified seed. Next one, that is cotton hybrid, 50-30, foundation seed is 50, certified seed 30. Next one, bigger amount we are going. Next one is castor, that is 300 150, foundation seed 300, certified seed 150. Next one, okra, that is bindi, 400 for foundation seed and 200 for certified seed. Next one, another big amount, that is pearl millet and onion. So for pearl millet, foundation seed is 1000, certified seed 200. Onion, foundation seed 1000, certified seed 500. Last but not the least, that is cabbage, for foundation seed 1600 meter, then certified seed 1000 meter. So large isolation distance is for cabbage, that is 1600 for foundation seed and certified seed 1000 meter. Okay. Now the questions that were left are: Seed Act enacted in which year? 1969. So this is one of the very important question. So the Seed Act was enacted by the Parliament on 29/12/1966 and the seed rules were notified in 1968. Then the Seed Act come into force throughout the country on 2nd October 1969. Next one, Essential Commodities Act was passed in which year? 1955. So next important one, that is what are the two types of seed corporation? First one, National Seed Corporation. Next one, State Seed Corporation. National Seed Corporation was registered in 1963. Two main objectives. First one is to promote development in seed industry in India. Then to supply foundation seed of various crops. These are the two main objectives of National Seed Corporation. State Seed Corporation is enacted due to reduce the workload of National Seed Corporation and stimulate a faster growth of industry. So this impact was made by Tarai Development Corporation, that is TDC in Pantnagar. Next one, a process that occur in seed technology is dehusking, that is removal of seed coats. So this is also called scarification. This is done by rubbing to make it permeable to water. So why dehusking is done? Because to promote seed dormancy, to arrest the development of plant organs. Next one, which chemical is used for immediate dormancy? That is potassium nitrate, that is KNO3, 1-3%, because this is the strongest and it is used for immediate dormancy after harvesting. Next question, the process of bringing grains to a desired moisture is called tempering. So tempering is a process that is used for processing. So this is nothing, just to bring the grains or other products to a desired moisture or temperature for processing. So these are the facts that we are going to discuss. Is that this is a seed treatment that is done to control the diseases by treatment of seed. First one, loose smut of wheat, 54 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Next one, loose mud of barley, 54 degrees Celsius for 13 minutes. This is a hot water treatment, we can say. Next one, alternaria blight of wheat, 38 degrees for 10 minutes, and leaf spot of till, 54 degrees Celsius for 1 hour. So these are the facts you need to remember. Now my questions for you is, what is the isolation distance of Bindi? And next one is, loose smut of wheat is caused by. These are the two questions. Comment your answers in comment box. So if you want more and more video, then subscribe our channel Go for Agriculture. Thanks for watching this video. If you want PPT, then download from our Telegram channel, that is Go for Agriculture. Till then, stay tuned.